With the cost of rent skyrocketing and their building up for sale, residents of 272 Caroline Street South are forming a co-op with the intent to purchase the property and manage it themselves.
At the end of the day, it's all about business.
What we are asking of the landlord is the same any other buyer would, after completing the same standard set of inspections.
We would like to see him do some of the repairs, and we're willing to negotiate that part of the thing with him.
This is the difference between the co-op succeeding or failing.
There are a lot of working class people in this city that are watching, that are listening, that are ready to get behind you on this. And we want you to know that you're not alone in this, that this will stand, hopefully, as a marker for a lot of groups going forward, being able to say, what they did, we can do too. So stand strong, everyone. Take care.